Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Saturday, July 1st, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video to let everyone know that we're in 78 countries right now, all right, in less than 90 days. I know this image says 76 countries, but I was reading the comments just a few minutes ago. Someone from Jamaica just joined. Someone from the Faroe Islands joined. So every time Mike does one of these images, he has to go and update it again because more and more people are starting to see the vision and joining gotbackup. And Mike, you're doing an awesome job, by the way. Thanks for everything that you do. So we're in 78 countries. We have over 10,000 members in less than 90 days. And out of those 10,000 members, we have over 800 people who have made sales with gotbackup already. All right? There's no other company like this in the network marketing industry. For $9.97 a month, you get 6 terabytes of data storage. You can share this with up to 5 other people. You can use it on an unlimited amount of devices. And you can also make a very nice income with this company if you decide to do so. You pay a one-time $40 reseller fee. You get a back office that has every single thing that you need to be successful building this business. All right? I call it a $10 business in a box because you get everything. You get an autoresponder, you get all the marketing tools you need, banner ads, ad copy, images, everything that you need, okay? For $9.97 a month and a one-time $40 fee. You can also pay for the year, pay $139.97, become a reseller, get access to all our marketing tools, and start building this business and start making some money. Now, there's an earnings disclaimer down in the video description. I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with gotbackup. But I can guarantee you that if you put in the time and effort, treat this like a real business that it is, that you will have success with this company. All right, there's almost 7 billion smartphones in circulation right now in the world, and everyone that has one of those, or a desktop, laptop, a tablet, they need this software. They need to back up their important files, photos, videos, whatever it is that they have that they need to back up, they can back it up with gotbackup, okay? So this is going to be huge. You look at somebody like Dropbox who has 700 million customers. They don't have a compensation plan like ours, okay? So it's not that we're better than any other storage provider, but we have an awesome compensation plan. We're the only network marketing company that's in this space, and you can make a lot of money with this, folks. Don't sit on the fence. Jump in this now. We pay 200% commissions your first month, 25% on all your directs after that. You get a 25% check match bonus each month, and you can earn up to 25% in our binary matrix. So the company pays out 75% in commissions, and it's just going to keep getting better and better and better and better. All right? The parent company's been in business for 25 plus years. Joel Tarian, the owner, he's earned over $300 million online in his career, and this company is not going anywhere. All right? We're just getting started. The sky's the limit with this, and I'm just super excited to be a part of this. So if you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you'd like to learn more about this company and how to become a reseller, click the link down in the comment section. I'm going to pin it there, gotbackupsystem.com. It'll take you over to my tour page. It looks like this. Again, this is a complete business in a box for $9.97 a month and a one-time $40 reseller fee. Again, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, it helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. So have a great rest of your day wherever you are, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.